To the geek community at large, I have an invitation for you to be part of an epic adventure and tell you a story live. You see, you'll be the first ones to see it, actually. I've kept it a secret for 6 years. So let's go back to a few years back? A few years back, I wanted to try something different in my content creation journey, so I kicked off an absolutely massive project, and I poured my heart and my soul into it. I called it GeeksAbroad, where I traveled the world with my co-host and my best friend. For months, we worked hard filming us on location at geeky places like a Comic-Con in Italy. We presented on stage at a gaming expo in Switzerland. We danced with robots in China and watched an epic robot battle in Japan. Everything was amazing. There was only one problem. Nobody saw it. Until now. Thankfully, I admitted I needed help and asked for it. Hey Riffle Brothers, would you accept this challenge?
Hey brother, let's have some fun.
Equipment loadout!